Okay, show me your hand. Relax yourself. Okay, take your glasses out for me. Okay. Relax your hand. Sleep. 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 Okay? Relax yourself. Okay, bring your chest together for me. Okay, close it. Okay. 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 Look at my eyes for a second. Relax yourself. Sleep. 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 Go. You can go down. Sleep slowly, gently. Sleep. 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 Go down. Go down. Sleep. There's no trickery to this. This is trance. In this state, no matter what I tell them, it's going to work because your unconscious mind is listening. If I take a smoker in this state and say, quit smoking now, quits. These guys are going to sleep like babies tonight. Right? You're going to sleep like babies tonight. How do you feel? 3, 2, 1, open your eyes, come back. 3, 2, 1, open your eyes, come back. How do you feel? You can't open your eyes. Can you stand up here for me? Okay. Can you stand up for me here? Okay. Are you close together? Okay. Look at my eyes. Okay. I'm holding you. Relax your hand. Sleep. Sleep. Open your eyes. Open your eyes. If you can't hold them, see that? Of course, yeah. Quinn, have I ever met you before? Never seen him before. Right?
I can hear him, but I couldn't open my eyes.
Can't open your eyes. Okay, Quinn, sit down. They don't believe this, okay? Quinn, okay, close your eyes for me. Go deep. Deep, 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 deep. In a moment, I'm going to count 3. When I count 3, the person whose shoulder I touch will open their eyes and they come into this room. Okay? In a deep trance of hypnosis. When they come back into this room, I'll ask them to count 1 to 5, 1 to 10. But somehow, they will have a difficulty in saying the number 5. They have a difficulty saying the number 5. Okay? They have difficulty. They can say 1, 2, 3, 4, and they'll say 6, but they cannot say 5. They can say all the numbers, they cannot say 5. Fair enough? Okay. What do you feel? Okay. What's your name? Philip. What do you do?
Sell insurance.
Insurance. You know numbers?
Huh?
You know numbers?
A little bit.
Little.
Not
Not
a math expert.
a math expert. I want you to bring your hands like this together for me. Like this, like this. I want you to count. 1,
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, try this. Try this. How's this?
5, 4, 3, 2.
Sleep. Go deep. Go deep. Go deep. Relax. Go deep. I'll let him go. He cannot say the word 5 if I leave him like this. He will not be able to say 5 if I leave him like this. Really? Absolutely. You guys have bad bosses in your office? Send them to me. Hire me to speak. Who wants to learn this skill in this room?